I'm here today testing out this elbow brace for cubital tunnel, or like your tendons here. I play paddle, or if you play tennis or other sports, you have a tennis arm or tennis elbow, you can really put this on and get an additional support here. So quite nice. The material is nice and soft and it's breathable, it seems here, because it has like these puncture holes in there. You have one like wide side and one smaller side, so this is the way to put it on. A couple of nice bands, and the main part you want to protect here are the tendons going from here to here, right? So you can have this a little bit on the top here, pull that, and then you can tighten that pretty well. Going from here to here. So now I have a nice protected tendon right here. When I go and play paddle, this is nice and protected. So right now I can't really move my muscles that much. So it's just a little bit of an arm movement, so I can't overstretch it. So that's pretty nice. I have to put this a little bit lower, so I avoid the joint right here, and then just tighten my tendon going right here from here, so I have a little bit more wiggle room, as you can see, but then still play my paddle. So quite nice. It's very tight and quite easy to use, so I really recommend.